Hello friends, so today I'm going to review a table tennis from a brand Joola, which I ordered from a Costco. The cost price is around 550 US dollars. It was home delivered to my address, and I thought that we should buy table tennis because the winter season is around the corner, and it will be good to have something to exercise rather than going out in the snow. So I'm going to open the box and I'm going to show you how does it look like. The good part with this table tennis part, obviously it's from Costco. You can return it if you don't like, and reviews were good. It comes with four cornered ball holders, some six white balls, six orange balls, and two table rackets as well. One of the, I would say the plus point, I would say that the plus point is very heavy. It's around 250 pound. I understand that you cannot move it that frequently, but it also gives you a stability. So I will just open the box and will show you how does it look from inside. Okay, here I open it. Oh, here you go. Okay, this is the way it looks like. I'm not going to like show you the entire installation. It will probably take me around half an hour to install everything. It looks cool, so I'm going to install it in quick steps, and once it is all done, I'm going to show you how does it look, and then I'm going to have a practice match with my son as well. So continue watching and then I will show you the final product. Thank you. I just wanted to show you the box from inside. I just opened the box. You can see this seems to be pretty simple. We have two tables joined together. Then on the side you have a racket with six orange balls, six white balls. Then you have the wheels, you have a manual, and you have side racks, and then you have all the accessories. Seems to be pretty easy fix. It's a 6-step process. I think I should be able to complete everything in next maximum half an hour, and then I'm going to show you how does it look like. But more or less it seems to be a quite easy assembly for a big table like this, and I'm very excited. So I just went to the instruction manual. So it seems there are only 6 steps here: figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, figure 5, and figure 6. So it seems it's a fairly simple job to assemble this table. So I'm very excited. Let's see how does it look. I'm going to assemble this two side of a table, apply this fixture, and then I'm going to show you. Okay, so friends, it took me around 10 minutes to fix the rollers on the bottom of my one side of the panel. So another 10 minutes and another 10 minutes to assemble. So I think in total it will take me around 10 minutes. So what I need to do is I need to lift it up, make it in a standing position, and do the same thing for the other half. Show you in case if your floor is not level, you can probably just push it, roll it up, and you can roll it down to adjust the height of your table tennis board so that it is all aligned, it is all in adjustment, it looks good. So we have rollers, we have height adjustment. So I will do the other half now. So this is the way it looks, the first half, and my second half is here. I'm going to put the wheels here, and then it will be all good. Show you the bounce. How does the bounce look like? So this is approximately a little height. The bounce is really good with this table tennis. Friend, I have assembled it completely, and let me show you the features of this table tennis. It comes with the wheels, it comes with the height adjustment. Then on the side you can see it comes with the ball holder, and on the side this is the point calculator. You can just move it left and right. So overall this table tennis seems to be fairly nice. The bounce is also quite okay. I can show you the bounce, how does the bounce looks on this table tennis. So I'll just grab one ball and you can see here. Bounce is a critical factor of any table tennis. Shows that what is the level, how is the level of and what's the quality of material here. So more or less quite fair deal. So go ahead and try it out, and I will also share my experience as I play on this table tennis equipment. Thank you and keep watching. Bye, take care.